Ethically, you ask, if we can time travel, should we? What do you see as the top three societal risks if this technology ever arrives? It seems highly likely that, if we do develop functional time travel technology, by the time this will be possible, society, such as we know it now in modern times, will be just a fading memory from the future's past history. The sort of culture that will arise to replace modern social structures is difficult, but not impossible, to predict. In a better future, time travel will be discovered and used responsibly sooner than in a worse future. The true danger of time travel isn't to the fabric of society, but to the fabric of reality itself. Assuming time travel is even possible at all, such as speeding time up or slowing time down, freezing time, or running time in reverse, the ramifications to the known laws of physics of successfully inserting a temporal paradox into reality are catastrophic, and thus likely so would be the effects on the spacetime continuum itself.